Are you ready?
Welcome to the Aloft here in Liverpool. Now we actually have a little own private entrance here to this room. This is actually really nice. We've got a nice little entrance, and straight ahead I'll just show you the view dead quickly. You can see the radio, what used to be the Radio City Tower, and you can see one of the cathedrals, the Metropolitan Cathedral, straight ahead as well. Right as you come in, we've got an ice bucket up there where I might just have my stuff there, an ironing board. We've got a safe, it shows you how to use the safe. We've got a hairdryer. And obviously in every Marriott you do get the Book of Mormon. Got a nice space to hang our clothes up and all that. Nice little space divided by a curtain. Where we come here to the bathroom looks really nice. There's a nice little touch here. So we've got glasses. We've got products by Dry Bar, which I've never heard of before, with soap and body lotion. We've got a sink area. Then we have the bathroom. I love how they embedded the toilet paper. We have the shower with more products again from Dry Bar. We've got shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. I know you're probably thinking, Adam, where is the bed? The bed is through here. We got twin beds for this day because the hotel didn't have any double rooms available. So we just got ourselves the twin room for the one night here at the Aloft. And I already tested the bed, and the bed is very springy and very soft, so I'm going to have a good night's sleep on here. So with the twin rooms, you do have a plug socket there. With the light switches, there is another plug socket just underneath the bed as well. We do have the menu for their on-site restaurant, which is called Bam Bam, which is street food. They do dine in or take out, so you can have it in your room as well. Got a pen, pad, with a telephone. Gave us a really good information street. So it includes our breakfast. We also got the WXYZ bar as well, so you can play games, board games, complimentary pool table, so on. There's a gym, there's Wi-Fi, complimentary laundry service as well. And also, obviously, you guys know I am a Marriott Bonvoy member, so I do get me discounted rates and all that. And then we have some fridge. They did give us some free water when there was the tea and coffee facilities, but I just put them in the fridge to keep them chilled. We've got a mirror, but I will show you the tea and coffee facilities just to be on the safe side. They were here just above the safe. So that is the Marriott Aloft tour here at Liverpool. We're going to check out the bed and I'll let you know what the bed's like.